Hey, good day.
Geometric
So I
construction.
want to teach you how to do some little construction. So if you're going to work on 3D technical construction or geometric construction, you must make sure you have a very sharp pencil, at least sharpened to a knife edge. So this is knife edge, very uh, very sharp edge, not the blunt type. So I'm going to use this one. This is a small pencil, so you attach it into your compass, and when you're setting your compass, you make sure that the pencil is not too longer than the amount of the almost of equal length, so that you can have a good balance when you're drawing. So you tighten this and make sure that this also, if possible, you can make use of a screwdriver to tighten this particular screw to avoid errors while constructing. So let's start with bisection of lines. So let me write this: bisection, bisection of lines. So when we're talking about bisection of lines, we are majorly talking about the division of a line, and it can be in, most times bisection means into half. So we can have bisection if we are dividing a line into two equal halves, then that's we can call it bisection. So let's assume we have this is a meter rule, a metric rule. So you can see the centimeter marking. This is centimeter marking. This is a ruler, and this is a inches marking. So let's make use of the centimeter marking. This is a small ruler. So if we are told to divide a particular line AB, line AB, we are dividing a line AB. So let's just draw the line. Let's measure from the point 0. You put your compass on this point, then you look for the point 10. So we are looking for a line 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter line. So must make sure you are very accurate in. So let's mark this place point. So this is we mark this point A and point B, point A and point B. So we are to divide this line. This is 10 centimeter line. We want to divide it into two equal halves. So that's bisection. In dividing a line, so you put with the center A, and make sure the radius of this compass is more than half of the line. So cut an arc above. So you hold your compass at this point. You cut an arc above and below. Then with center B, you cut an arc above and below. And you label this point C and point D. Then you join the point C and the point D. Sorry, my pencil just cut now. I have a problem with pencil, so I have to sharpen it. I need to adjust the pencil mount. Okay, so we're going to mark these points. You also use the pencil to get the points accurate. Then you draw. With this now, if we are going to check it, can we see that this 10 centimeter line has been divided into two equal halves? What's the half of 10? You can see point A here and point B here. So the half of this line is 5. We have been able to use this geometric construction to find the center of this line. I've been able to divide this line into two equal halves. Also, let's see another one, division. This one is on division, just general division of lines of a line. Let's say we have a particular line AB equals to 10 centimeters. So this is my point A, this is my point B. So you're going to draw, the first stage is to draw a line into given, so you want to draw a line, this particular line, you want to draw it into given number of parts, equal parts. So you want to divide this line, division of a line into 5 equal parts. So draw the line AB, draw AC at any convenient radius. You can choose to put it like this, or like this. So at any convenient angle. So the next thing that I have to show you is the divider. So you're going to use this divider to mark off points, so equal points. So if you are putting it here, we have the divider from this angle. You start marking point A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next thing we are going to do is to join the point 5. We are joining the point 5 to point B. Point 5, we are joining it to point B. Then after this, you can get any of the set square. You can get any of the set square. So we are going to be sliding the set square. We'll try to get this line with a set square. You place the ruler below the set square, so you can watch the way I'm holding my set square with my ruler. So you're going to hold the set square this way. Okay. So since I've confirmed this, I can start sliding my set square. Slide it to number 4. Slide it to number 3. Slide it to number 2. And we slide it to number 1. The long one, we have equal parts now. It's too long. as a mistake. Must try as much as possible not to always make use of the ruler while constructing. So let's confirm this is, so these lines, I said you are going to join 5.5 to B, and through other points you join it, you start sliding the set square parallel to 5B. So you have 4, you slide it through 3, you draw parallel lines to 2, parallel lines through 1. Then the set of numbers will give you equal points. And as you can see here, that this line is equally, it is here 6. So these have been thoroughly divided. So we can also have another question where you to divide division of a line in a given proportion. The first thing also is just to draw let's draw a 10 centimeter line AB. So we do the same step here. So we are given the proportion is 2:4. This is the ratio we are working with. If you are working with this ratio, then you can draw the line at any convenient angle, and you mark off 2 plus 4 will give us 6. So if you have 2, if you add 2 to 4, that gives you 6. So this 6 is what that means we are dividing the lines into 6 equal parts. And in this case, we're going to mark off 6 equal parts. 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You join you join the point 6 to point B. Join point 6 to point B. Then since it's given in ratio 2:4, that means we have to have 2 parts, then 4 parts. So we have to draw the line at number 2. So before we do that, we make sure we have the set square parallel to this line. Then we can start sliding. The points. In this case, you just need to pick the point 2. So at point 2, and that is the division of a line in a given proportion. That means we have proportion 2:4. So see you in the next class.